it's Pewee. I'm going to be coming to your school soon. Oh, and one of my friends are going to be with me. Not sure which one. Yeah, Noella and I were just talking about that the other day. I love water.
Pewee!
La, 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 water.
Pewee!
Wow, wow. Well,
I need to talk to you, Pewee.
I think you already are.
Did you fill up your room with water and make it into an aquarium?
Maybe.
Maybe. I opened your door and water was pouring everywhere.
Austin, give me my surfboard.
No, Pewee, that's not good. You're wasting water. Only use the amount you need.
Okay, I'll stop brushing my teeth.
Pewee, you don't have any teeth.
See, I'm already saving water.
We will be at your school soon to perform Waterology.
Yep, I'm going to be there too.
See you soon.
Bye.